And the last case, how we can create a function in JavaScript. It was appeared in ES6 and in ES6 standard, and it calls arrow functions, or somebody calls them fat arrow functions. So how it looks? For example, we remember our function sum. It was called function with keyword, then 2 parameters, and returns result. So if we have braces, we know that it's a function in JavaScript, so it means that we can replace this keyword, and in ES6 was added this arrow. And now we created a new way of function. It calls arrow function because of we using this arrow. Let's try it. So we have a result, but we can use these braces, curly braces, if we want to add multiple lines. For example, but in case if we want to return some simple calculation result, we can even skip these braces and we will have expression here. So we can remove it, and so here we have expression is a regular JavaScript expression, and without curly brackets, result of this expression will be returned to the function. So let's try again, and now we see that function is much more simple. We don't need any words, just pass 2 parameters and do some calculation on these parameters, execution, and then it will be returned. So in general, arrow function looks like this one. We need some variable to assign this function, then we have brackets, and we have expression. One more small sample, let's take a look. So we create function say hi, and expression of this function will be just alert some text, and then we will call this function. Let's try hello. So how works JavaScript arrow functions. It's very popular approach, and really it's my favorite way how we can create functions in JavaScript.